Broadriver Plumbing is a highly experienced, get-the-job-done, plumbing service company that handles any kind of emergency plumbing or non-emergency call. Broadriver Plumbing is the best plumber in Bluffton, South Carolina. With an extensive list of services from toilet repair or installation to pipe repair, Broadriver Plumbing should be your choice for an excellent job done in the Lowcountry. Call Broadriver Plumbing today and take care of your plumbing needs. Call Broadriver Plumbing 843-271-6336. Visit us online www.broadriverplumbing.com. Broadriver Plumbing performs premier plumbing services in Bluffton, South Carolina. We want to build long-lasting, trusting and professional relationships with every customer. At Broadriver Plumbing, we are proud of our work. We are skilled, hardworking and service-oriented. We will do everything we can to make your plumbing experience as stress-free as possible. Call Broadriver Plumbing 843-271-6336.